guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Alright, so we have to use the electrolyzer to fix Clank. Perfect. Alright, so now we get to play as Clank. And we have to go this way. Alright, his controls are the same. Square. He doesn't have any long-range weapons yet. He can jump, and if you hit X twice, then he can glide.
Jump, then hold X while in midair. To control Miro-Bots, hold.
Alright, so these are Miro-Bots. They are similar to the Gadget-Bots in the last game. Hold down triangle, and you can control them. There are some extra Miro-Bots in this game. Alright, so the commands are follow, wait, enter, and attack. And soon there will be hammer, lift, extend bridge, and salute. Alright, so we can tell these Miro-Bots to attack. And they'll go right over and destroy them. And the next guy. And then he will come back to me. This is a bridge bot.
Bridge bot acquired.
He can extend bridges across gaps. Like this one right here. And if you tell him to salute, see, he will actually salute. Extend bridge. See? And now, all of the rest of us can cross. And retract the bridge. For some reason, bridge bots, strong bots, and hammer bots cannot attack.
Lifter bot.
Alright, so this is a lifter bot. It can lift objects that look like that. And that's its icon. Lift. Alright, so follow me over here, everybody. Let's look around for where we can build a bridge. Right after we take this guy out. Alright. So, build bridge. And attack. Okay, come over here and follow. Attack. Alright, these are bot ports. They will take in these guys right here, the normal Miro-Bots. So hit enter to make the Miro-Bots go in. It only takes 2 though. So the rest of them can follow me. But we have to hit this button. Alright, so now...
All missions completed on this planet. Search other planets for available missions.
Alright, so now that you have Clank,
To jump long distances.
you are able to glide, crouch, and then do a high jump, and do a long jump, which is run, crouch, and then jump. There are 2 ways to do long jumps. There is the heli pack, and there is the thruster pack. My favorite is the thruster pack, so I'm going to equip that. It has all the same things. High jump, long jump, long jump, whoa.
Press X to jump, then press and hold X while in midair.
Glide, it has all the same things. Perfect.
Clank also comes with a thruster pack.
Alright, so then just walk around here and get into this translocator.
For a map, press select or R3.
Alright, there is one other thing that you can do on this planet, and it is a grind boot course. So, just watch the next video if you want to see that, and watch some of my other videos to see the next planet, which is, let's see, what is the next planet? Planet Vancouver Canyon, Planet Barlow. Let's blast off. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.